guys, this is quite a new building. This is like 15 years old, and in the middle you see everything down the valley hills, and you see the marks of 62 tombs. The most famous one is right there in the middle, close to 62 Tutankhamun. But the greatest one is number 17, City of First, the father of Ram, the second, the longest one is the most expensive one. This is quite nice, but nicer when we look underneath it. You're from Japan? Come. Closer. Arigato.
Obrigado.
Okay, guys, come closer. When you look underneath it, you say the passages, the tunnels, corridors carved into the mountain. Look at the deepest and the longest one. This is number 17.
All right.
City the first, the father of Ramesses II, the longest, the deepest, the most exposed.
You can try.
You went in, you saw nothing. Here's different guys. It is great and larger, bigger, and full of pictures and drawings. Now, I'm gonna buy the tickets. What you gonna do? You're gonna stay here? So I'm not gonna buy their ticket. So this is meeting point. Okay, it's here wait for us like an hour or something, and then we pick here all the way down. Okay? I'm gonna buy the tickets for 11. KV6 Ramesses IX, then KV16 Ramesses I, and KV11 Ramesses III. So 6, 16, and 11. In the middle, there is KV62, which is Tutankhamun. It was dug in the middle of the Valley of the Kings, 1350 BC. After 200 years, KV9 was dug on the top of it. It means all what came out from the new one covered the older one till 2010, when it was found by Carter. The other tombs around, my friends, were stolen long time ago. Treasures were melted down, recycled, sold, whatever. But the mummies were useless. The mummies were just left on the floors of the tombs, which were luckily collected by ancient priests, showed respect to the bodies of their pharaohs, and they put them together in what we call cash. You know cash? Not money. I mean, cachet.
Yeah, like a lot of them.
Yeah, I mean cascade. So next to Hatshepsut's temple there was a cache found, 1881. In it were found 38 mummies, and those mummies are in the Egyptian Museum, in the new one, Civilization Museum. Finally, those entrances, you see them right now, were not as obvious, as clear. They were usually hidden under piles of rocks and sands, and they were just little entrances. But now, to make it easier and for safety, we have those with proper entrances. Okay, so this is where we are now. You're gonna walk this direction, behind the shelter there. The first open one to the left is KV6. Then this is a sort of a cafe, drinks. Behind it is 16, and then farther in is 11. Keep 11 for the last. since 11 is the best. So keep the best for the last. Again, guys, 6, 16, 11, and you show the ticket 3 times, they punch on it, and you keep it until you finish the third one. After you finish, you walk back, you ride any of those trams, you get off at the end of it, we're meeting point at the visitor center. We expect 10 to 15 minutes in each tune, so 1 hour time.
All right.
So now it's 11:40, so 12:40 we meet down there.
Inshallah.
Guys, before you leave, is anybody interested in that? Book it for you before you leave. Yalla.
Yalla. Yalla habibi.
6,
Yalla.
16, 11, and don't
6, 16.
ticket. Timing is okay.